In fact, the Enforcement Directorate has drawn the High Court's attention. The matter was mentioned before the bench of Justice Shubhra Ghosh, I beg your pardon, and it was mentioned that there is a possibility of a hearing tomorrow in this case, and sources have told News 18 that Trinamool Congress might end up filing a case against the Enforcement Directorate. This is a case of data theft, the allegations that were made by the West Bengal Chief Minister while she entered a live ED raid, took away certain documents and claimed that they are trying to take away certain hard disks which are crucial to the Trinamool Congress. It's a political witch hunt and also political motivated case that the ED is going ahead and conducting the raids for. That was the allegation coming in from the Trinamool Congress. Kamalika with all the details. Kamalika, TMC might be looking at filing this case against the Enforcement Directorate now that this official statement by the ED is also come in.
Yeah, absolutely. Now it's clear that the battle now will be in the legal ground, because what we come to know that ED has also drawn attention of the court, and they have also pointed out that they want to say something because they feel that there has been intervention in their raids, and they have come up with the statements where they stated that this raid what they are doing, that is on the basis of certain evidences, and there was intervention that's clearly coming from their statement. So it's quite clear that the statement that they have put in the Twitter and the statement that they have shared, that is the basis on the basis of which they are actually they have drawn the attention of the court. Now that's the ED part. On the other hand, Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee has clearly claimed that the ED people have stolen the party strategy, has stolen the party candidature list, and a lot more important things that has been taken from there, and they have also taken data. So on the basis of that, what we are coming to know that there might be another case that has been filed by the TMC that this has been done. They have stolen the data and the other things. So we'll have to now see where the legal battle goes. But right now, where I'm standing, this is the building where the raid is going on in the 11th floor. We are standing on the 7th floor. And one thing is very clear, that Mamata Banerjee, who came in the morning to the residence and right now in IPAC's office, she is still here. She has said that she will be here until things settle down. And also she has clearly mentioned that she will be here till the time Pratik Jain returns. So high-scale drama here, and the drama now taking it to absolutely the legal return, because in one hand the ED is saying that they are doing it to target-based, evidence-based raid. On the other hand, Mamata Banerjee clearly pointing out that this is Trinamool Congress is nothing but a victim of this victim which the central government is doing.